in a minute. Today we're going to talk about
how to sound like corpse. Okay, so this would be essentially how to achieve a natural sounding male voice, part 4.
what you're hearing is what's known as subharmonics, which means that there's like a lower tone overlaying the higher one.
If I tell you,
Hear that? Okay, so now how do we reach that sound? So the first step is we have to find vocal fry or fry register. Okay, it depends on who you ask, but essentially they're like two different things, right? You can have the fry quality, hey, how's it going? And then there's actual like fry register, which happens so the trick is you go down as low as you can until you reach vocal fry. And then what you want to do is increase how much P-sub you have. What that means is subglottal air pressure. So the way that we can do this is if you place your hand in front of your mouth and you blow as hard as you can, you push your hand up against your lips. You should feel that there's a lot of pressure created behind your hand. Okay, so this is what it feels like to increase our subglottal air pressure.
If I tell you a secret, will you keep it? If I tell you a secret, will you keep it? My name is Corpse.
Okay, so first we need to find vocal fry, then we find that
If I tell you a secret, will you keep it?
So it may take a couple times. If you're an AFAB individual, this is going to be really hard for you. So don't give up. You may not get the exact same sound as Corpse, but keep in mind Corpse was assigned male at birth, to the best of my knowledge anyways. So his ability to sound deeper, as deep as he does, is going to be a little bit more flexible than if you're an AFAB individual. Okay? Doesn't mean you can't emulate the sound though. So first we lower our larynx.
We find vocal fry.
Then we increase subglottal air pressure.
If I tell you, if I tell you a secret, will you keep it? If I tell you a secret, will you keep it? If I tell you a secret.
Right? That's the gist of it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try to hit 500 likes for this video if we can. So essentially you're pulling back the root of your tongue. Tip of your tongue should arch up.
Larynx is low.
Then we increase subglottal air pressure.
If I tell you a secret.
And that is how to sound like Corpse. Now, I know I don't exactly sound like Corpse, but that's similar to what he is doing. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Bye.